How to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Windows. 1. Restart your system. 2. Disable then restart Bluetooth on your system. 3. Check your Bluetooth device for potential damage. 4. Ensure your Bluetooth device is in range. 5. Remove and repair the Bluetooth device. 6. Enable the Bluetooth adapter in Device Manager. 7. Restart all Bluetooth-related services. 8. Update your Bluetooth drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, uninstall then reinstall Bluetooth drivers. 9. Ensure the audio sync is active in your Bluetooth properties. 10. Set the Bluetooth device as default for playing audio.